Hi guys, I'm Leah and welcome to Legally Braids. I'm a 20-something-year-old qualified lawyer at a magic circle firm in London. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 tips when starting your training contract. If you've started your training contract, are applying for one, or are interested in becoming a lawyer, this video is for you. As a bit of background, I'm a 2-year PQE lawyer, which means I have 2 years post-qualified experience, and I've been at my law firm for 4 years. So having been in your position not too long ago, these are the 5 things I wish I knew at the beginning. So please click subscribe and watch to the end. Tip 1. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Disclaimer, guys. By that, I do not mean if someone does something or says something that makes you feel uncomfortable, you should accept that. That's never okay. That is never okay. What I do mean is, a lot of things are going to be new to you. Everything from the technology, the people, the email etiquette, it's new. And it's going to be overwhelming. In a client-facing job that can be unpredictable and varied. This might even be your first ever proper office job. And this feeling of discomfort, it's called learning. And I'm not saying the exact same task will come up tomorrow and you'll be able to do a cookie cutter approach. It might do, but also you're building general skills, drafting skills, presentation skills, building your attention to detail, and all of these things will help you in your next task. It's not dissimilar by being set a question at uni that you know nothing about. And then 2,000 words later, you've done something. What you produce might not be perfect, but your firm hasn't hired you for perfection. They've hired you for your potential. If they wanted perfection, they would have hired someone with a lot more experience than you. When something comes into my inbox that I know nothing about, I freak out less. I know that this has happened in the past and I've been able to do the task. The feeling of discomfort is essentially learning, and we're forever on the learning curve. So get used to it. Not too harsh. Tip number 2, stay in your lane. Just like at university and school, the trainees will talk to each other about their experiences in relation to the training contract, the qualification process, and a lot more. And that is totally natural and normal, particularly because you might have met some of these people on your LPC 6 months to a year ago. And the information that you guys might share might be helpful. Pay attention to what people are saying. What are certain departments like? What certain people are like? Who to ask a certain question to? These are all really helpful things. However, take this schoolyard chat with a pinch of salt. Your peers are going through your training contract at the exact same time as you. They haven't got the benefit of hindsight yet. Also, at the lunch table, only the most sensational and extreme stories make for good entertainment.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
I learned in my training contract not to base critical decisions off of hearsay or what your peers think you should do. At the end of the day, people have different experiences, and just because your friend liked or disliked a certain department doesn't mean that you will. Number 3, keep an open mind. You might start day 1 with an idea of the type of lawyer you'd like to be. A litigator in court, an M&A transactional lawyer. However, a key point of your training contract is the ability to see various areas of the firm. And there is no better insight than spending 3 to 6 months in a certain department. These insights will either confirm or challenge any preconceptions that you might have about a certain area. And a related tip, don't base your experience solely off your trainee work. Pay close attention to what the junior lawyers in your department are doing, because that is the level of work you're returning to if you qualify there. Going into a seat with a negative or closed mindset can really affect your performance. This is particularly important if, for example, you get allocated a seat that wasn't your top choice. I know at my firm when I was a trainee, only the trainees with the most consistently high feedback were able to secure the most popular secondment opportunities, like going to our New York or Hong Kong office. And it's that good feedback that will help you secure the qualification position that you might want to at the end of your training contract. Number 4, get organized. Now, I'm sure this is not the first time you've heard this, and guess what? It still applies in the world of work. Making to-do lists, being on top of your emails, creating reminders for yourself, keeping a tidy desk, all of these things will help you stay proactive. And this is one of the key things of being a good trainee and something that people will expect from you as a junior associate. And remember, you haven't necessarily got all of the technical skills and experience just yet. And people that do haven't got time to be worrying about where they put a certain document folder or when the deadline for a certain filing is. Staying organized will help you keep on top of things and help you be proactive as a trainee. This means you can add value to the people that you're working with and will help you stand out from your peers. Tip number 5, do extracurricular activities. Your firm will have other things going on outside of your fee-earning, desk-based work, and that is a great opportunity to meet people you might not have and broaden your overall experience. This could be things like helping out with graduate recruitment events, be that person that you might have seen at the Freshers Fair representing your firm.
What, like it's hard?
Participating in your firm's staff networks, or helping out with your team social. This is particularly important, guys, in this new world that we found ourselves in, where a lot of your team will be working from home. By participating in non-fee earning work, you can really get your name out there, especially if you have a limited amount of time in that department. You can learn more about the firm, meet different types of people, and broaden your skill set. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please like this video and click subscribe so I can make more videos for you. And if you have any questions or video requests, comment below, and I'll see you next time.